Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, last class we have seen exercise 2.5, first 6 problems. Today we are going to see the remaining problems. So now I am going to explain 7th problem. See, if Z1, Z2 and Z3 are three complex numbers such that mod Z1 equal to 1, mod Z2 equal to 2, mod Z3 equal to 3 and modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1, show that modulus of is 9 into Z1 Z2 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 equal to 6. See, first you have to understand the problem. What is given, what we have to show. Okay. Now what is given? Here modulus of Z1, Z2, Z3 value is given and also sum of the modulus value is given. From that, show that 9 into Z1 plus Z2 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 equal to 6. See, we have to show this value equal to 6. Before that, we should know what is Z1, what is Z2, what is Z3. So, first we have to find Z1, Z2 and Z3. See how we are going to find Z1, Z2 and Z3? From the known value. So, always mathematical concept is known to unknown. What is the known one? Mod Z1 value. So, from this, say given mod Z1 equal to 1. We have to square on both sides. If we square mod Z1 square equal to 1 square 1. Then mod Z1 square, one property is there. Z into Z bar equal to mod Z squared. So, using that property, we have written this as Z1 into Z1 bar equal to 1. From this Z1, we need Z1 now. So, keep Z1 left hand side and bring Z1 bar to the right hand side. So, now Z1 equal to 1 by Z1 bar. Okay, now we found Z1 value. Then next Z2, mod Z2 value is given 2. So, mod Z2 square, squaring on both sides, 2 square 4. Then using the same concept, we have written this as Z2 into Z2 bar equal to 4. So, from this Z2 value equal to 4 by Z2 bar. Similarly, Z3. So, Z3 value 3. If we square 3 square 9. Then using that property, we have written this as Z3 bar equal to 9. So, from this Z3 equal to 9 by Z3 bar. So, we have found Z1, Z2 and Z3. Now, also modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 value is given. The value is equal to 1. Now, take this Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 modulus is equal to 1. Now, substitute this Z1, Z2, Z3 in this. Okay. Now, what is Z1? 1 by Z1 bar. What is Z2? 4 by Z2 bar. What is Z3? 9 by Z3 bar equal to 1. This is nothing but ordinary fraction addition. Already you have done this problem in previous classes or primary classes, isn't it? 5, 6, 7, 8 classes you have learned how to simplify fraction addition, isn't it? So, now using the concept of LCM, now we are going to simplify this one. Now, if we take LCM, we will get Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar as LCM. Now, if you find it, we will get Z2 bar plus Z3 bar, 4 into Z1 bar. How will you get? See, LCM is Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. See here, denominator having Z1 bar now. So, what is the remaining one? Z2 bar into Z3 bar. So, write it here. Here Z2 bar now. Now, left this Z2 bar with 4 into Z1 bar, Z3 bar. Then, plus here Z3 bar now. Now, the LCM Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar now. So, 9 into Z1 bar into Z2 bar. So, here we have written Z2 bar into Z3 bar plus 4 into Z1 bar, Z3 bar plus 9 Z1 bar, Z2 bar by Z1 bar, Z2 bar into Z3 bar equal to 1. See, here again one property. Modulus of Z1 by Z2 can be written as mod Z1 by mod Z2. So, here whole modulus no. So, we are going to write this as separate modulus, numerator and denominator. So, write using this property. Then again, see, Z2 bar, Z3 bar plus 4 Z1 bar, Z3 bar plus 9 into Z1 bar, Z2 bar now. See this concept, we are going to use this concept. Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar. Sum of the sum of the complex numbers and its conjugate can be written as sum of the complex conjugate. Z1 bar plus Z2 bar. So now we are going to separate now. We are going to add same Z2, Z3 plus 4 into Z1, Z3 plus 9 into Z1, Z2 the whole bar by using this concept. Then again modulus of Z1 bar into Z2 bar into Z3 bar now. Using this concept, modulus of product of the complex number is equal to product of the modulo. Mod Z1 into mod Z2. So using the concept mod Z1 bar, mod Z2 bar, mod Z3 bar. Then already in previous classes you have learned this concept also. Modulus of Z bar is equal to mod Z. Mod Z bar equal to mod Z. So this is considered single complex number. Then modulus of Z bar equal to what? Mod Z. So this is nothing but modulus of Z2 Z3 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus 9 into Z1 Z2. Similarly this is mod Z1 bar, mod Z. Mod Z2 bar, mod Z2. Mod Z3 bar equal to mod Z3. Why means using this property. Okay. Now modulus of divided by modulus of Z1, modulus of Z2 into mod Z3. See here given mod Z1 value, mod Z2 value 2, mod Z3 value 3. Now you substitute this here. Mod Z1 value 1, modulus Z2 value 2 and modulus Z3 value 3. Okay. So now 1 into 2 into 3. If you multiply this, you will get 6. So now cross multiply this 6. So therefore modulus of 9 into Z1 Z2 because first term here given 9 Z1 Z2 plus second term 4 Z1 Z3 plus third term Z2 Z3. Now we got modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 value 6. Hence proved.